Those Twa Recruitin sergeants come frae the Black Watch to markets and fairs, some recruits for to catch. But all that they listed was 40 and 12. Enlist bonny laddie and come awa, and it's over the mountains and over the main, through Gibraltar to France and Spain. You fell into your bonnet and I killed him in your knee. Enlist bonny laddie and come awa with me. Oh laddie, you dinna ken the danger that you're in, if your horses was to fly and your housing was to rent. This greedy old family wouldn't pay your fee, so listen, bonny laddie, and come along with me. And it's over the mountains and over the main, through the regional road to France and Spain. We fell into your bonnet and I killed him in your knee. And listen, bonny laddie, and come along with me. With your tatty puddings and your meal and kale, your sour and sorens and your elbrew tail, your buttermilk, your wine and your bread fired raw. And listen, bonny laddie, and come awa, and it's over the mountains and over the main, through Gibraltar to France and Spain. You fell into your bonnet and I killed him in your knee. And listen, bonny laddie, and come along with me. Oh laddie, if you had a sweetheart and a pair, you'll easily get rid of that ill-spun yarn. Twa rattles and a drum, and that'll pay it off. And listen, bonny laddie, and come awa, and it's over the mountains and over the main, through Gibraltar to France and Spain. You fell into your bonnet and I killed him in your knee. And listen, bonny laddie, and come along with me. And it's over the mountains and over the main, through Gibraltar to France and Spain. We fell into your bonnet and I killed him in your knee. And listen, bonny laddie, and come along with me. And listen, bonny laddie, and come along with me. In the far distant land on a fair golden strand, I met a Highland laddie in the morning, and he sang me a song as he proudly marched along. For the land of lochs and glens and silver seas, oh, take me back again where heather hills are high, and I'll hear the mavis singing in the morning. Oh, there's no place on earth as the homeland of my birth. Oh, my Scotland, I am coming home to you. Now there's wonders I've seen in the countries I have been, and beauties in the lands that I have wandered. But while I have travelled free, now my heart is calling me to the land of lochs and glens and silver seas. Oh, take me back again where heather hills are high, and I'll hear the mavis singing in the morning. Oh, there's no place on earth as the homeland of my birth. Oh, my Scotland, I am coming home to you. To Kintyre, from Dragoo up to Skye, from Cape Rat to Inverness and Border Sheeling. It's the world of my own, and I'm longing now to roam by the land of lochs and glens and silver seas. Oh, take me back again where heather hills are high, and I'll hear the mavis singing in the morning. Oh, there's no place on earth as the homeland of my birth. Oh, my Scotland, I am coming home to you. Take me back again where heather hills are high, and I'll hear the mavis singing in the morning. Oh, there's no place on earth as the homeland of my birth. Oh, my Scotland, I am